Okay, students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, in the last class, what we discussed? Sin theta. What we discussed? Sin theta. Okay, I'll make you revise that, and after that, I'll go to cos theta and tan theta. I'm not going into very detail. I'm just clearing the concept what you exactly read in class 10. Is it clear? Okay, sin theta. Now, I think you all remember what is this?
Very beautiful, sir.
Very beautiful circle of radius. Or very beautiful circle of radius.
Wow.
Okay. Now this is theta. Now at angle theta, I've drawn radius. Now suppose this base is B and this perpendicular is P. Okay. Can you tell me the coordinates of this point?
B, comma B.
What are the coordinates of this point? B, comma
B.
P. Good. Now what is the radius? Radius was 1. Is it clear? Do you remember that? Okay, sin theta. Now, what is the value of sin theta? Tell me. P upon perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now, hypotenuse is 1. Sin theta is P. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, just tell me one thing. That is sin theta is y coordinate height of tip of rod of radius 1. That is, if suppose I have a rod of radius 1 and suppose I tilt it by angle theta. Now, the height of this rod is giving you sin. Height of this rod is giving you sin. I think you can easily feel as theta increases, the height keeps on increasing. At maximum is at 90, which is equal to the radius 1. And at 0, what is the height?
0.
At 0, what is the height?
0.
So sin 0 is?
0.
Sin 90 is?
1.
Is it clear? Sin theta increases as?
Theta increases.
Sin theta increases as?
Theta increases.
Is it clear? So sin theta increases as theta increases from 0 to 90. Now, in this class, in class 11, we'll be studying for obtuse angles as well. But I'm not going into very detail, but I can just make you understand. After 90, what will happen?
Theta decreases.
As theta increases, sin value of height is decreasing. Sin theta is decreasing. That is, specifically we have to write sin theta increases as theta increases from 0 to 90. Sin theta increases as theta increases from 0 to 90. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now cos theta. Okay, can you tell me what is the value of cos theta in this triangle? B upon 1, or I can directly say B. Now what is cos theta? X coordinate. What is cos theta?
X coordinate.
Now what is happening? But please try to understand. What is happening? When theta increases, cos theta is decreasing. Cos theta is decreasing. Cos theta is this base has decreased. Is it clear? This x coordinate has decreased. I think you can easily feel. As theta increases, this base is decreasing. This base is decreasing. And at 90, what will be the value of x coordinate? 0. Is it clear or not? But if the angle is 90, try to feel what is the x coordinate of this point. If I have to go from here to here, I have to move in y direction by 1. There is no need to move in x direction. So 0, 1. So x coordinate is 0. That is cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Cos theta is x coordinate. But please try to feel. Cos theta is x coordinate. As angle increases, value of base or x coordinate is decreasing. This was the x coordinate, now this is the x coordinate. Cos theta, as theta increases, cos theta decreases. As theta increases, cos theta decreases. Is it clear? At 0, what is the value of x coordinate? Equal to radius, 1. And as theta increases, what is happening? Cos theta is decreasing. Cos theta is decreasing. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, same I can tell for tan theta, but before that, I'll just what we'll do in starting, we'll be doing some mental exercises. With that, your mind will open up easily. Okay, today I'll be discussing something related to angles. Okay, tell me what is the angle between minute hand and hour hand when the time is 3 o'clock? What is the angle between minute hand and hour hand when the time is 3 o'clock? Good. And what is the angle when the time is 1 o'clock?
30.
30. Good. Because if this is 90, then 1, 2 and 3. Then at 1, it should be 1/3 of this only. Is it clear or not? So 30, 30 and 30, 90. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, what is the angle when the time is 2 o'clock? 60, good. 1 o'clock, 30, 2 o'clock, 60. Is it clear? Okay, tell me. Okay, you just raise your hand and I'll ask. What will be the angle when the time is 3:30? Okay, Rahul, tell me. 90. Okay. But he's saying that when the time is 3:30, then the angle should be 90 because the R hand should be at 3 and minute hand should be at 6. The angle is 90. No. But it should be in between 3 and 4. It should be in between. So answer should be less than 90. Answer should be? Okay, what should be the answer? 75. Okay. Okay, Zella, can you tell me? What will be the angle at 3:30 between minute hand and hour hand? This angle? Good. Okay, see, why is it so? Because when in 1 hour, suppose our hand is at 12, after 1 hour it will be at 1, that is 30 degree ahead. After 1 more hour, it will be 30 degree ahead. In half an hour, in 1 hour it moves by 30 degrees. In half an hour it will move by 15 degrees. So the answer will be 90 minus 15, that is 75. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, tell me what is the angle, what will be the angle between minute hand and hour hand when the time is 4:30? 4:30. Good. 45. Why is it so? Because at 4:30, what will happen? This is 4, this is 5, this is 6. 4:30 means between 4 and 5. This is 30 degree and this is 15. Because in half an hour it will travel by 15. Now 15 is left from 30. So 30 plus 15, 41. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
To everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Okay. So the angle will be 45 degree at 4:30. Okay, what will be the angle at 3:20? At 3:20, what will be the angle between minute hand and hour hand at 3:20? Okay, Gaurav, you tell me quickly. 3:20.
20.
Anyone else?
Yes, sir, 20.
How many of you are at 20 degree? How many of you can explain it? Okay, Priyansh, you tell me.
So if there are 30 degrees in 1 hour, so in 3:20, the minute hand will be on 4 and the hour hand will be between 3 and 4. That will make around 30 and then 10 degree more, so 20. 30 minus 20.
Good. Okay, the time was 3:20. But 3:20 means 3:20 means hour hand is between 3 and 4 and minute hand is at 4. Okay, now please try to understand. 3:20. But in 1 hour, hour hand, suppose hour hand is at 3. After 1 hour, it will be at 4. It will be pointing towards 4. That is 30 degree ahead. And in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60. In 60 minutes, our hand moves by 30 degree. 60 minutes, 30 degree, half. In 20 minutes, it will move by 10 degree. Good, Priyansh. But this is required for it. If you think more, then it will be very easier to crack it. Like similar questions will not be there. Like the questions you have done, the questions which will come in exam will be definitely different. So please try to understand carefully. In 60 minutes, our hand, if suppose our hand is at 3, after 60 minutes it will be at 4. That is 30 degree ahead. In 60 minutes, 30 degree. In 20 minutes, it will move by 10 degree. This angle is 30, 10 it has moved. Now the angle remaining is 20. Is it clear? Okay. And now, Vaibhav, you tell me, what will be the angle at 3:25?
3:25.
Good. Anyone else? Is there anyone who will like to try?
17.5.
325. Beta 325. Now our hand is over here. In 25 minutes, it will move by 12.5 degree. Beta, if it had been at 3, then the angle would have been 60. Between 3 and 430, between 4 and 530. In every step, the angle is 30 degree. Because 90 is the angle when, like the time is 3 o'clock. Now, all are equidistant. So this should be 30, this should be 30, and this should be 30. Is it clear? So what I'm saying is, if the time is 3:25, now what is the thing? The hour hand is at 3 and the minute hand is at 5. Like hour hand is exactly between 3 and 4. If I'm saying if it had been at 3, then the angle would have been 60 degree. In 25 minutes, it will move by 12.5 degree. Beta, in 60 minutes, by how much angle does the hour hand move? If suppose hour hand is at 1, after 1 hour, hour hand will be at 2. After 1 more hour, hour hand will be at
3.
In 1 hour, hour hand is moving by 30 degree. Hour hand is moving by
30 degree.
in 60 minutes, hour hand is moving by in 60 minutes, hour hand is moving by 30 degree. Speak out. In 60 minutes, hour hand is moving by 30 degree. In 25 minutes, 3:25. In 25 minutes, it will move by 12.5 degree. 12.5 degree. If hour hand had been at 3 and this minute hand had been at 5, then the angle would have been 60 degree. But it has moved by 12.5, so answer should be 60 minus 12.5. 47.5. Now would you like to give the answer for one more question?
Yes.
Okay. 440. Quickly. Good. Because 440. See, if our hand had been at 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Minute hand is at 8. Our hand is between 4 and 5. I'm saying if our hand had been at 4, then what would have been the angle? 30, 30, 60, 30, 90, 30, 120. But in 40 minutes, it will travel by 20 degree. So instead of 120, because 20 minutes it has traveled. Now the angle is 100 degree. Is it clear? Is it clear? What is the angle now? 100 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes.
Sure? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Good.